Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Larry here for Leoy Systems. Today I want to talk to you guys about not being afraid to ask for help. Whether you're a studio, a big box gym, CrossFit box, or an individual personal trainer running your own, training business, going to people's houses or whatever, or even if you rent space. It's never a bad idea to ask for help. And by that, I'm talking about other people who have been in that similar situation, mentors, other business owners, and stuff like that. People who have the experience that you're currently going through, and people that have passed that. It's a good idea to talk to those men and women to get ideas, or even to come in as basically a consultant to help you build your business. Because sometimes we get so focused on actually doing the job. If you're a trainer or if you're a gym owner, you owned a gym because you're into fitness and you work out, and you're probably a trainer first before you opened up the gym, and that's what you want to do. You just want to have your own place to do it, but we're never taught the business side of it. So you're so focused on the training and the equipment and the facility and the way it looks that you kind of forget every other part of what it means to actually run a business. There's the marketing, the finance, the bookkeeping. All that stuff could really become mountainous and weigh you down. If you're an individual trainer, the same thing goes for you, where, you don't have a huge overhead because you're just going around to people's homes. You're bringing maybe a bag of bands, maybe even a kettlebell if you're strong enough to carry that with you, or if you drive, maybe you have a car load full of equipment that you bring to each and every client's house. We're not taught the business side, what it actually takes to run the business. So having an outside perspective, from somebody who's been there, done that, can open up a whole new era of creative solutions for problems that you're having. There are plenty of management companies out there that, will come in and manage your gym or your facility for you, and then you just pay them a monthly stipend or a monthly fee, for doing it. If you're an individual trainer, there's really nobody out there that you could hire to do that, except one, maybe. But at least to get you going in the right direction as far as your marketing, your focus on whoever your actual, clientele is, as well as some ideas to get you going, and then possibly some connections to have some joint marketing efforts with. Actually, that's exactly what I do. So I could do it for gyms and also individual trainers. And I spent 28 years in this business, everything from the maintenance crew to senior management and a director. So I've done it all. I've been there, and I've seen big box gyms make serious mistakes. I've seen corporate facilities make horrible mistakes, and I've seen private studios make, I don't know how they're still open, as well as smaller mom and pop gyms, community gyms that barely skip by, mostly because they're making stupid mistakes. And that's where it comes down to, is because we're not trained to run the business. Not everybody should be owning a business. Some people are good at managing, some are better at owning. There is a huge difference between the two, as well as you may be fantastic and amazing at fitness as a trainer, or group X, or corrective exercise, you name it. But when it comes to actually having employees and a facility and all the things that come with that, a lot of people fail. So it's okay to ask for help. It's okay to hire somebody to come in. It doesn't have to be a permanent thing. It could be a month, 2 months. Or if you guys hit it off and business starts booming, it could become a permanent thing. But the point is it's okay. It's okay to admit that you're in over your head, and it's okay to admit that you don't know how to get the business up to where you think it can be. having a consultation with an outside perspective will be able to help you kind of make you realize if your goals are realistic or not. Alrighty? Don't be afraid to ask for help. So, as a selfish plug, after 28 years in this business, I have decided to provide these very services to fitness facilities and gyms and individual trainers. Together, we're going to analyze your marketing for your actual prospective client. So we're going to really pinpoint how you should be talking to the people that you need to be talking to. Developing a marketing strategy, because you need that. Also coming up with some business development ideas to generate new business, as well as building a database of community. I'm very big on community. I keep talking about it. Go look back in a lot of my videos. I always talk about community. Building that community, now you could do cross-promotional stuff. You could team up with, like-minded businesses and have sales together, have discounts together, and have a back and forth as far as maybe your members could use their service and vice versa. I do this. I do all of this. I decided I was tired of seeing certain gyms win and certain gyms not do so well, and it had nothing to do with skill or talent. So I decided I wanted to level the playing field and use my corporate gym experience, my private training studio experience, my own personal training business experience, and put it all together to help everybody. So if you're interested, shoot me a message. You can go to my website, shoot me an email, and I'd love to talk to anybody who's willing to try this. Let's talk first. We may not be a good fit. Alrighty? Thanks for watching, man, and you have a great day.